Anna, how are you feeling now?
I feel very tired. My head hurts a lot.
I am sorry to hear that. Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I took it an hour ago.
That is good. Do you want some water?
Yes, please. My mouth is dry.
Please rest. Do not think too much.
I try, but I feel worried.
You will be okay. I am here with you.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Should I call the doctor?
Not now. Let us wait a little.
Okay. I will sit here.
Can you turn off the light?
Of course. Sleep well. Anna, let me check your temperature.
Okay, Tom. I feel very hot and tired.
Please put this thermometer under your tongue.
All right.
You still have a fever.
I thought so. My body feels heavy.
Do not worry. Fever will go down soon.
I hope so. I cannot even sleep well.
Drink some water first. It will help you.
Thank you.
Did you eat anything today?
Just a little soup. I had no appetite.
That is okay. Eat light food and rest.
Will you stay with me for some time?
Of course. I am not going anywhere.
Thank you, Tom. I feel safe with you.
Try to sleep now. I will watch over you.
Okay. Wake me if it is time for medicine.
Anna, I am closing the curtains. The light is too bright.
Thank you, Tom. My eyes hurt a little.
It is okay. You need rest.
I feel better now than before.
That is good to hear. You were very tired earlier.
Yes, I was. I am happy you are here.
I will stay with you tonight. Do not worry.
That makes me feel calm.
Are you feeling cold?
A little bit.
I will pull the blanket up.
Thank you. You take good care of me.
You would do the same for me.
Yes, of course.
Try to sleep now.
Okay. Wake me if I need medicine.
I will. Sleep well. Anna, why do you look upset?
I thought today was special for you.
It is special, but I feel something is wrong.
You forgot our plan. That hurt me.
Oh no. I am really sorry. It was not my intention.
I waited all day. I felt unimportant.
Please believe me. I was busy and stressed.
You could have sent a message.
You are right. I made a mistake.
I just wanted your time.
I understand now. I should have been more careful.
I do not want gifts. I want honesty.
Thank you for telling me the truth.
Can we talk calmly?
Yes. I want to fix this. Anna, please listen to me.
I am listening, but I am still hurt.
I know. I made a mistake today.
You forgot something important to me.
Yes, and I am truly sorry for that.
I felt lonely waiting for you.
I understand now. I should have called you.
A small message would have been enough.
You are right. I did not think clearly.
I just wanted your time and attention.
You deserve that. You matter to me.
Do you really mean that?
Yes, I do. I want to make things better.
I need honesty, not excuses.
I promise to be more careful next time.
Okay, let us try again. Tom, what happened? You look stressed.
I just got a bad message.
What kind of message?
There is a problem at my office.
I am sorry to hear that. Are you okay?
I feel confused and scared.
Take a deep breath first.
I do not know what to do now.
You do not have to decide everything now.
You are right, but my mind is full.
I am here with you. You are not alone.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Do you want to sit down and talk?
Yes, please. I need some support.
We can find a solution together.
I feel better hearing that.
Everything will be okay, step by step. Tom, what is happening here?
I think the food is burning. There is too much smoke.
Turn off the stove now.
Okay. I am turning it off.
Open the window and the door.
Yes, that is a good idea.
Are you all right?
Yes, I am fine. I just panicked.
It is okay. Accidents happen.
I was trying to cook dinner for us.
I know. That was kind of you.
I feel bad. I ruined the food.
Do not worry about the food. Your safety is more important.
Thank you for helping me.
Next time, we will cook together.
Yes, that will be better.
What are you looking at, Tom?
I am checking a recipe on my phone.
Oh, that looks interesting.
It is a very easy recipe.
Easy sounds good after what happened earlier.
Yes, I do not want to burn food again.
Let me see.
Sure. Look, it has simple steps.
Oh, I like this one.
Do you think we can cook it together?
Of course. Cooking together is more fun.
I agree. I feel more confident now.
I will help you with the timing.
Thank you. That really helps.
Let us start slowly.
Yes, no rush this time. Look at this, Anna. It is completely broken.
Oh dear. The frame is cracked.
I do not know how I did this.
You sat down too quickly. It happens.
I need these glasses every day.
I know. That is why we will fix the problem.
Can it be repaired?
Maybe, but buying new ones might be better.
That sounds expensive.
Do not worry too much. We will manage.
Thank you for staying calm.
There is no reason to panic.
I feel better when you talk like this.
Tomorrow we will go to the shop together.
Okay. That makes me feel relaxed.
For now, just rest.
Anna, please wait.
I need some time alone right now.
I am sorry if I made you angry.
I told you many times to be careful.
I know. I was careless today.
You never listen until something breaks.
That is not true. I just made a mistake.
This is not the first time, Tom.
I feel bad already. Please understand me.
I am tired of reminding you again and again.
I will try harder. I promise.
Promises are easy to say.
I really mean it this time.
I hope so. I need peace right now.
Okay. I will give you space.
Tom, are you ready for the trip?
Yes, I am very excited. This is my first time flying.
Really? You look calm.
I feel a little nervous inside.
That is normal. I am here with you.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Do you have your passport and ticket?
Yes, they are in my bag.
Good. Do not forget your phone and charger.
I packed everything last night.
Great. Our boarding time is soon.
I cannot believe we are finally traveling together.
Me too. I have waited for this day.
What are you most excited about?
Seeing a new place and making memories.
Same here. Let us enjoy every moment. Oh no! I can't believe this.
What happened, Tom? You look very worried.
My bag is not here. I put it on the belt, but now it's gone.
Are you sure? Maybe it came already.
I checked 2 times. This is not my bag.
Oh dear. Don't panic. Take a deep breath.
I feel very nervous. My clothes and documents are inside.
Let's ask the airport staff. They can help you.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Did you put a name tag on your bag?
Yes, I did. My name and phone number are there.
That's good. It will be easier to find.
I hope so. I don't want to lose it.
Don't worry. Bags get lost sometimes, but they are found.
Thank you, Anna. Your words make me feel better.
You're welcome. Let's go to the help desk now.